Good afternoon, my name is John Clamp. I'm the Director of Operations with the Central Caribbean Marine Institute here in Little Cayman. We have a building here that provides research and education to our local community. We bring in scientists who are studying various issues that reflect the reef and the ocean. Anywhere from a instrument buoy called the cruise buoy, Coral Reef Early Warning Station, which leads us to getting information from the ocean into the hands of scientists, and hopefully they can determine some of the meanings that that data set provides. We provide educational programs to a wider community, including university groups from Europe and the US, and also local community programs, one of which is the MEC, which is the Marine Ecology course. This helps inform young people who are resident in the Cayman Islands about some of the issues that the island faces. So we teach them ecology, conservation, and some of the systems that are important to how islands are governed, how resource use is important, so fresh water, perhaps fisheries, tourism, and so on, so that they have a good grounding and understanding about their local communities. We've been here since 2004, and we've grown from there. We have a royal patron in Prince Edward. We had a royal visit with Prince Charles. That was March this year, so we've come a long way in the 20 years that we've been incorporated as a research and education facility. You can get more details on our website at www.reefresearch.org. Thank you.